makakausap natin ngayon, PHIVOLCS Director Teresito Bacolcol. Magandang gabi po sa inyo, sir.
Magandang gabi din po sa inyo, ma'am.
Kilala po ba talaga ang Bulusan bilang isang aktibong bulkan at ilang beses na po bang pumuputok ang bulkang ito?
Yes, again, Bulusan Volcano is a very much active volcano. In fact, it has erupted several times in the past. Yung last time it erupted was in June 2022, and then prior to that, sumabog din ito or pumutok din ito noong 2017, 2016, and 2015. And even before that, marami na pong beses pong pumutok yung Bulusan Volcano.
Just to refresh our memory, sir, naging grabe po ba ang mga epekto ng pagputok ng bulusan sa nakaraan?
Hindi naman wala po malimit na yung pagputok ng Bulusan Volcano eruption. Wala pong lavang lumalabas. The last time na nagkaroon ng lava flow was in 1918 pa. So ang characteristic ng Bulusan Volcano is similar to that of the Canlaon Volcano, steam-driven eruption. Ang hazards lang would just be the ashfall.
Ayun, so ashfall. At what is the likelihood it will still be the same? Kasi syempre hindi rin po natin inasahan noon ang Pinatubo, gayon din ang Taal. So ito po bang bulusan malamang ay hanggang dyan na lamang?
Well, sana hanggang dyan na lamang. Again, the last time that karoon po ng lava flow was in 1918. But again, we have to monitor closely Bulusan Volcano. Kasi nga baka naman magkakaroon din ng panibagong magmatic eruption na may lalabas na lava.
Ayun. So, sir, ilan po ba ang mga aktibong bulkan sa Pilipinas? Sapat po ba ang mga kagamitan ng PHIVOLCS para ma-monitor po ang lahat ng mga bulkan na iyan?
We have 24 active volcanoes, and out of the 24 active volcanoes, 10 ngayon ang minomonitor ng PHIVOLCS, and out of the 10 monitored active volcanoes, 2 lamang may kumpletong instrumento, which is Taal and Mayon. That's the reason why nagpapasalamat kami with the passage of the PHIVOLCS Modernization Act, and madagdagan yung mga bulkan na ma-monitor natin. At least may minimum requirements for the equipment, and the 6 most active volcanoes would have complete monitoring system.
Huling tanong na lamang po, ito po ba ay pangkaraniwan na meron pong 10 out of the 20 active volcanoes na kayo po'y nagmamanman ngayon? Or is that also an effect of climate change?
Hindi po effect ng climate change. We really have 24 active volcanoes, and yun na nga, hindi kasi sufficient yung instrumento natin. The ideal would be to monitor all the 24 active volcanoes, but since limitado lamang yung equipment natin, then yung iba, minimum instrumentation lamang. Yung most active, like Mayon and Taal, sila yung may kumpletong instrumento.
Ayun, okay, maraming salamat po, PHIVOLCS Director Teresito Bacolcol.